Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I am at the Empress Hotel in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. Lots of flowers in the gardens outside. Scene arrangement in the middle and on the outside. Lots of sunflowers, benches, and much more. See the purples in the back. Some pink flowers ahead and lots of trees throughout. This is outside of the hotel, maybe more in the front and the side of the hotel. See lots of flowers on both sides of the stairs coming down and a big display in the center. Down here, some whites on the bottom and a sort of walkway area with an arch and guardrails throughout. Pretty cool display on the side here, all the different colors. And the leaves up ahead. See a planter in the middle with some pink flowers and a tree in the center with some lights on it. On the sides you can see this arched walkway area and more pink flowers down below. It looks like there's a greenhouse type area in the back, gated or fenced off, where many of the flowers are growing but not yet planted in the main area. Grandiflora fame, planted 2005. See the lights, it's a little bit darker under the trees and some more of the red flowers. People were going by saying they were smelling the roses. Perhaps this is it. And in the background, you can hear some bagpipes. So there are some performers in the streets. And another display in the center, really wide leaves in the center area and many of the flowers at the base. You can see a gated area on this side with many pinks and blues, and closer to the base see more of the flowers, all the different colors, the different assortment of flowers, some bees inside as well, and a sculpture up ahead of a woman with a monkey on the top, a dog on the bottom, and more of these blue flowers on the side. Historical marker here, Emily Carr, and we could hear the bagpipes. We're getting a little bit closer. There's the performer on this side, and there's a big wharf area, many buildings on this side as well. See more of the flowers and get a big view of the lawn. See the sign, The Empress. Looks like a dining area on a second or perhaps third floor, and a lot more flowers at the base of the hotel. So they do a really good job maintaining this. You get this walkway in the front, right outside of the restaurant. Ooh, and hear some cruise ship or ship noises in the back. And back here to the front of it, looks to be a nice walkway. Others taking photos. This says, Canada's castle on the coast. Make memories that will last a lifetime. The different services from the hotel on offer. And here's the shrubs on the bottom. And many more of the flowers. Take a look on this side as well. Some dark red colors in the back. Really cool. Lots of effort, I'm sure they put into this. Many drinking, dining in this area. Perhaps hotel guests or maybe the public is invited as well. And you could see a Parliament building in the back with a very big Canadian flag at the walkway inside and a flag hanging. See more Canadian flags on this side, some pillars or columns in the back. And walking back to the hotel, a side area here as well. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. Stay tuned for more travel and cruise videos.